Bonjour, this is Julien, the guy who makes French pronunciation videos here and French lessons. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more, loads to learn here. So today we're going to be looking at how to say my name is in French. There are two different ways of saying it. This is the first one. This is the most common one, the one you'd say generally if people ask you what's your name, quel est ton nom, or comment tu t'appelles, you'd say je m'appelle, meaning my name is really. And then you add your name, so you'd say je m'appelle François, for example, or je m'appelle James, je m'appelle Michael, je m'appelle. So this essentially means this is the name that is given to me. Now there's a second way, which is less really common in everyday life. Most people would say je m'appelle, but you can also say, it is correct to say it as mon nom est, which is literally my name is. Mon nom est. And then you add your name. Mon nom est François. Mon nom est François. Mon nom est James. Mon nom est Michael. So two different ways again. Mon nom est. But generally in everyday life, just say je m'appelle Kevin, je m'appelle, is how you'd say it. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, it helps a lot. Thanks you. More videos for you here to learn more French. See you there. Thanks for watching. Merci.